Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends. So today I am reviewing, the top is smushed on it y'all, the 7-Up cake. Got this from Amazon. So you know I tried the orange crush cake and that was good. And people kept saying, oh, I'm going to get this 7-Up. I said, let me get it and try it. The first time I had 7-Up cake was many years ago. I believe my mother made it. Somebody gave her the recipe or something like that. I remember tasting it. I don't know if she made it or her friend, something like that. So, if I could get this top off, that will be good. How was y'all's holiday? Mine was pretty good. My holiday was good. I just spent time with my mother and my oldest grandson. My eldest grandson surprised me and he was there. My nephew came with his wife. Stayed for a while. We had a nice time. So let me pause for a minute so I can get this top off and I can get into this video, okay? Okay, that's what it looks like. It looks so good. I'm gonna slice a piece and see how this is tasting. So what are y'all's plans for the new year, y'all? I'm going to be taking some more courses, y'all, trying to find, learn about other things. And I just want to try some new things. And I want to move, but I don't know if that's going to happen. So let me get into this cake. My favorite cakes are pound cakes. It's really delicious. But you know what it really tastes like to me? It tastes like lemon cake to me. It's delicious. The little glaze makes it taste sweet. I won't be able to eat a lot of this. I'm not really supposed to eat sweets, but I wanted to try this. My mother's best friend can make the best lemon cakes you ever have tasted. She makes some good lemon cakes. This is so good. This is so good. I should have gotten something to drink, some water or something. But I'm going to be finished with this soon, so I should have taken that over her house, my mother's house, for New Year's. It's so good. She said, what you want me to make? Apple pie or chocolate cake? I said, whatever you want to make, you make that. I don't care. You know it's gonna be good. So this 7-Up cake is so nice and moist. It tastes so good. It's so good. I believe I paid more for this than a Orange Crush, I think so. But food is going up so high. I heard a lot of people complaining about how much eggs are. During the holiday, you would save a lot more money if you made your own, like, cakes and stuff. Because the eggs were so cheap. They were cheap at that time. For Christmas, my mother made a turkey breast, greens, collard greens, mac and cheese. What else did we have? And stuffing, gravy. And that's it, because I told her, I says, no need of making too much food if it's going to really just be me and you. And even though we didn't know my grandson was coming, you know, it still was enough food for him. Oh, and her friend made a sweet potato pie. I was surprised. My mother didn't make her own, but a friend, hers was good too. So let me get back to this cake. This is what this review is about. This 7-Up cake. So I love this cake. It's moist. It's very good. If you don't want to do a whole lot of baking and stuff for the holiday, you can get those in advance. Put it in your freezer. I have a deep freezer. It's very old, but I love having one. But you can freeze your cakes. And so, even if you make a cake, you can freeze it. But you might want to pick this one up from Amazon, okay? And Happy New Year to everyone. And I will be back soon with some more videos and reviews and stuff. Okay. It's a possibility that I may take a break. I know I told y'all I was leaving. My situation that was going on, that I was telling y'all about, you know, the foolishness with YouTube, is kind of straightening out. I hope so anyway. So I will be back, and may not be up here as much because I have a lot of work to do, stuff to catch up on, but I will be back soon, and I will be watching and commenting on y'all's videos, okay? Love you all.